Hi everyone. One thing you need to start working on from today right now in order to get fluent and confident in speaking in English is not practicing English speaking. It's something else which I'm going to tell you in this session. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. So what is that one important thing which will help us to gain fluency and confidence at the same time? And yes, you heard it right. I am not talking about practicing English speaking. It's about consistency. Yes, I'm talking about consistency. Being consistent is something which we have to start developing, or we have to start incorporating in our daily life, in whatever we do. Consistency is very important, guys. If we want to achieve our goals, whatever goals you have, whether to speak English fluently and confidently, or to get yourself trained in some technical skills, or to reach certain heights or certain designation, you have to be consistent in your approach, in your learnings, right? You have to carve your way, you have to make your way towards that with being consistent. So just practicing English speaking religiously or just like a routine will not help. You have to be consistent in your approach, in your speaking. So before working on English speaking practice, start working on being consistent. How we'll do that? Let's talk about it. I'll tell you my story here. I always have been a very confident person. But I remember one incident where I really lost my confidence at that point of time, and I realized that why I failed. So there was an event going on in my college and I wanted to participate in that event. So there were selections going on. So, the teachers were shortlisting people for different things, different events. So there was one event which I wanted to participate in, and the criteria was you have to qualify a group discussion. I was very confident that yeah, I can speak in English and I know everything and I'm aware of everything and I'll do it. And I didn't prepare much. I was very casual about it. I was very cool. And the next day there was the GD round. I kind of tried to check out some topics and all. I did that, but I went for the GD. So when the group discussion was on, there was a topic given and we have to speak on that. So everybody tried their best. I also tried my best, but I was somehow not able to translate my ideas properly. Whatever idea I was getting, somebody or the other has spoken about it. So I was not very quick in putting across my ideas in that group discussion. So I had ideas, I was fluent, I was able to say everything, but I was not quick enough. And I couldn't qualify the GD round. So I was out of that event, and that really felt very bad. I was very disheartened. I was not expecting that basically. I thought that I am going to qualify for that. But then that was a turning point in my life and I realized that why I failed. And the only thing I realized why I failed was I was not being consistent in my approach. If I wanted to participate in that event, I should have practiced it enough, irrespective of the fact that I am a good English speaker or I am fluent English speaker or I am a confident person. It doesn't work. If you're not consistent, somewhere or the other you will lag behind. Like I said, I was very well with everything, but time was something which didn't help me. people spoke about those ideas before me, and I was not able to speak on those at the right moment. Why this happened? Just because I was not being consistent in my approach. So these small things does matter, guys, and that is why it's not about how fluent you are, how confident you are. It's all about timings. It's all about the situation. It's all about a lot of other factors which influences us to speak better, to get better at things. So that is why if you will be consistent in your approach, these things will not come in your way. You will not have to think about all these things, that whether I'll be able to translate my ideas across in the right way, or if somebody else will say something, or if I'll not get any idea. You will not have to think about it. If you'll be consistent, you will be definitely able to cross all the hurdles, and you'll be able to overcome everything to achieve your target or achieve your goal. Now, how do we achieve consistency? That is important. For being consistent, the one thing I would suggest you is be random. Take ad hoc topics. Now, ad hoc topics doesn't mean that you have to take up a topic any time of the day and speak. You have to take it in a flow. It has to be in a flow. Like when you're thinking something, the first step is, or the first thing you can do to become consistent is, whatever you are thinking in your brain, in your head, whatever thoughts are coming, just talk about it in English. Be natural. Speak natural English. That is the best way to become consistent in speaking in English. And once you will be consistent in speaking in English, you will definitely gain fluency and confidence. So the first thing is be natural. Start speaking natural English. Whatever comes to your mind, whatever comes to your head, right? Whatever thoughts you are having, just try to translate that in English. We think a lot, right? We think about a lot of things. We think what we are going to do next, how we are going to do it, what is the plan, etc. We think every time, every now and then we think about it. Why can't we take a moment to start speaking about it for a minute? What you are thinking. If you're looking at a car and you're thinking, wow, this car is so good. I want to get this car. I want to buy this car. Can't we think and speak in English about it? Right? It doesn't even take us 30 seconds for you to speak these 2 sentences or 3 sentences. Right? So, to be consistent, you have to be in a flow. Whatever you are thinking, whatever your thoughts are, just try to translate it in English. That is the first thing you have to do. So, you have to club it with your routine. You have to make it very natural for you, so that whenever you think something, it comes naturally to you. English comes naturally to you. Like whatever thoughts you're having, you just immediately translate it in English. You start thinking about or speaking about it in English. So you have to speak natural English first. And daily life, whatever things are happening to you, just describe that. Okay, so the second thing you have to start doing is, we do a lot of things every single day. Every day the routine is different for us, or if it is the same also, something or the other we do differently, right? So why can't we talk about it? Start speaking about it. Whatever we have to do, plan your day, speak about it. Your day is finished, speak about how it was. Right? So these are very common basic topics you can pick up and start speaking to be consistent in speaking in English, or to be consistent in practicing English speaking. Use natural English. Use your daily routine or your daily life to speak about it in English. That is the best way you can be consistent in speaking and thinking and training yourself in English. Okay. So speak about your daily routine, speak about your food, speak about what you are doing. So basically any action which you are doing, any activity which you are doing, any experience you have had, and you can review things, you can give feedbacks about it. So these are the 4 things we have to take care of. We have to consider these things while speaking in English. If we have watched a movie, if we have watched a series or anything, we have heard a music, some music as well, review it, give feedback. Wow, this music was so good. I really liked the way she sang the song. The music is excellent. The lyrics are too good. I can relate to it. Okay, give reviews, give feedbacks. We love giving feedbacks, right? We do talk about it. If somebody has watched a movie and come, and somebody has gone for shopping, we do ask about their experiences, right? So why can't we also start doing the same? We have done something. Talk about it. How does it feel after exercising, after gymming, after coming from a walk, after playing a sport? We can just come and speak about it. How do I feel about it, right? After doing that, after dancing, or you have some hobbies, you are pursuing some hobbies like gardening or baking or cooking or anything else. Why can't we take a moment to talk about it, right? In your own words, in your own sentences. Just give it a try, guys. Use your day or your daily life or your daily routine to become consistent in speaking in English about it. If you start doing or practicing English speaking in this way every single day without any fail, you will definitely become fluent and confident in speaking in English in no time. You will not have to put in any effort to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. Trust me on this. Start following these things to become consistent in speaking in English. Once you will become consistent in speaking in English, you will definitely gain fluency and confidence to speak with people on any topic, anywhere, in any situation, right? And what consistency will do is, it will help to train your brain, it will help you train your mouth, it will help you to think in English, to speak in English. And whenever next time when you are outside, you are watching anything, you have had an experience, you will definitely be able to speak in English. That will automatically come. So basically, consistency will automate everything. If you're consistent enough, if you're consistent in doing this activity, these activities which I've just spoken about, it will automate your English speaking. You don't have to think about that you have to speak in English now. It will automatically come out. You will start speaking words, you start speaking sentences in English, and the first thought will come to you when you look at things will be in English. So basically, it will automate your system to start speaking in English. Okay, and that is why consistency is so important. So start being consistent with these activities. These activities are very basic, very simple, guys. And I always focus on day-to-day, daily life conversational topics. Like what we do, like our actions, our activities, our experiences, feedbacks, reviews. So these are the things which you have to focus on. And we do speak on all these things. We do talk about all these things every single day with people. Think about it in your mother tongue, what topics you take up and speak, and you'll get to know what I'm speaking about. So start preparing on these topics, start working on these topics, start including it in your daily routine, start speaking in English about these activities every day without fail, and you will definitely achieve your goal very soon. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.